In this video, we're gonna see how did Mr. Beast beat the YouTube algorithm. If you also wanna beat YouTube algorithm, then don't forget to watch the video till the end. So let's start a video. Jimmy Donaldson, commonly known as Mr. Beast, is an American YouTuber with fastest growing channel in the history of platform. In 2019, every video that he straight got over 14 million views. The content creator is innovating by creating new formats that are based around money. Here are 5 YouTube strategies that I have analyzed from Mr. Beast YouTube channel that you can implement in your channel for further growth. So without any further ado, let's get into strategy number 1. Innovation. Almost every YouTuber present nowadays is a replica of something that was already created. Don't get me wrong. People are doing it because it simply works. But what about being unique and creating something that was presently unseen? Mr. Beast never stops experimenting and trying, which led him to create new formats of blending multiple formats. One of the most impressive challenges is that he has managed to plant 20 million trees. The YouTuber is making other content creators want to be featured in his video, which allows him to reach even a wider audience. But innovation comes from failure. Let me tell you that for years Jimmy produced hundreds of videos that never worked. Patience and self-assessment are big virtue. So I say you always experiment and try to differentiate yourself by creating new formats, because YouTube is such a platform in which you can only grow by yourself and not by replicating others. Strategy number 2. Trends. Now I know that after preaching innovation, it seems to be weird talking about ridding of trends. Or does it? There are many ways that one can get rid of trends. All it takes to be creative and adapted to your style. And Mr. Beast understood that. He shifted the focus of his channel masterfully from himself and found a way to get rid of every popping trend that was out there. But this wouldn't make him that special. He made a key strategy, moving his using bigger names to his advantage by donating absurd amounts on streams or doing free advertisements of other channels. During the last year's Super Bowl, he managed with his friends to do an AD for biggest YouTuber at that time, that's also for free. Just think about it once. You also want to use trends on your YouTube channel, just nothing but take a trend jacking topic. Yes, there is much amount of information about trend jacking in Google. Go visit that. Strategy number 3. Investment. Most of people that are starting trending will start to lose their focus over evolution of their channel. But Jimmy Donaldson never forgot. Despite of his young age, Jimmy understood that to maintain the momentum and growth he had to invest accordingly. He affirmed over more than once that all his revenues until recently were invested in his videos. Think of your channel as a plant that you need to nurture to grow it in a blossom. Now you do not need to be radical as him, invest everything in your channel, but you can put a scaling plan that fits your goals and helps you out. So I say you that reinvest on your YouTube channel to grow your YouTube channel. So now without any ado, let's get into strategy number 4. Kindness. I wrote in another article why kindness and empathy are winning business strategies, and Mr. Beast is a living example of this. As I mentioned before, this channel is based on expensive stunts and good deeds, which was a long-term winning strategy. People never get bored with this guy as he offers ridiculous amounts of gifts and cash to people and tries to change people's lives for better. One of his videos named I Ordered Pizza and Taped the House. And it's exactly as it sounds. They offered a new house to a pizza delivery guy that first came. When you put your audience in the center of your interest, people will naturally come to you and they'll subscribe your YouTube channel. I have a personal suggestion for you YouTubers. Keep your thumbnails and titles short and simple. When we look at Mr. Beast thumbnails or shorts, they are single line and very simple. When you look at this thumbnail, for example, I ordered a pizza and taped the delivery guy a house. So simple to understand. Even his thumbnail will be so simple, no much complicated. I request you to follow his thumbnails and titles for your videos. So let's move on to last strategy, that's strategy number 5. Shock value. People crave extraordinary stories. We all want to see something that never was done before. Again, Mr. Beast is a master like this. Every video he will make, you want to click at him immediately and see what happens. First of all, you need to acknowledge the importance of titles and thumbnails, as I said before, as they are the first thing that users see. Before ever clicking on this video, they must be curious and excited to see what will happen in the video or even in the article. If not, if they will not be excited, they will never click on the video, how good your thumbnail or title may be. So these are the 5 strategies which are given you from MrBeast YouTube channel. So you can follow these 5 strategies for the growth of your YouTube channel. By the way, if you like our video, just click on the like button and press on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications of our Blue Croc YouTube channel. Myself, Blue Croc, signing off. Don't forget to subscribe.